Dear students, we are going to discuss about acceleration. Chapter 3, Motion in Straight Line, Class 11 Physics. Acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration means this is the rate of change of velocity. Time rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Meaning, suppose you are going through a car. When the speed of the car is increasing, that means कि there is acceleration. So acceleration means कि time rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Time rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. It is denoted by A. It is denoted by A. Therefore, A equal to V minus U by T. This is the change in velocity in time t. So, acceleration is V minus U by T. V means final velocity, U means initial velocity, T means time taken to change the velocity. Clear? Now we want to know the unit, SI unit. You see, what is the unit of velocity? Unit, SI unit, velocity unit is meter per second, and there is also second. So if this second come in the numerator, it will be meter per second square. So SI unit is meter per second square, CGS unit is centimeter per second square. Now we are going to uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration means कि if the body, when the body moves, and if there will be equal change in velocity in equal interval of time, then this is called the uniform acceleration. When a body moves, then if there is equal change in velocity in equal interval of time, is called uniform acceleration. Equal change in velocity in equal interval of time. This is the uniform acceleration. Now we are going to variable acceleration. Variable. This is uniform acceleration. Now we are going to variable acceleration. Variable acceleration. What does it mean? When a body moves, if there is equal change in velocity in unequal interval of time, this is called the variable acceleration. Equal change in velocity, but in unequal interval of time. Suppose in first 2 seconds, its change in velocity is 20 meter per second square. In next 2 seconds, it is 10 meter per second square. Next 2 seconds, in first 2 seconds, it is 10 meter per second square. In next 3 seconds, it is 10 meter per second square. And in next 5 seconds, it is 10 meter per second square. Change in velocity is 10 meter per second square. This is constant, but time is changing. So if there is equal change in velocity but unequal interval of time, then this is called the variable acceleration. Velocity change same, uniform acceleration. What we are getting? Here you see. How we are getting? Equal change in velocity. Second is equal interval of time. Equal time. So this is for uniform acceleration. And variable, you see equal change in velocity. But second is unequal interval of time. Unequal so you see the difference here, both are equal. Here change in velocity is equal, time interval is not equal. So this is the uniform acceleration or non-uniform or variable acceleration. Now we are going to instantaneous acceleration. Instantaneous acceleration means in case of variable acceleration you will get this is the acceleration of an object at any instant of time or at any point. This is called the uniform instantaneous acceleration. Instantaneous acceleration means acceleration of an object at any instant or at any point of its path. Clear? This is the instantaneous acceleration. Instant acceleration of an object at any instant or at any point in its motion. This is called the instantaneous acceleration. And instantaneous acceleration is represented by instantaneous acceleration is represented by A equal to limit delta t tends to 0 delta v by delta t, and this is equal to dv by dt. So instantaneous acceleration, simply we can write this is equal to dv by dt. Clear? And acceleration is a vector quantity. This is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and as well as direction. So what we are getting? Acceleration, uniform acceleration, variable acceleration. Uniform acceleration this, variable acceleration is this, instantaneous acceleration is this. So we have got this now, and it is a vector quantity and its SI unit is meter per second square, and its dimensional formula we have find L t to the power minus 2, L t to the power minus 2. Dimensional formula is L t to the power minus 2. Its dimensional formula. Now we want to represent this in graphically. You see. Velocity time graph. Velocity time graph for constant acceleration. By uniform acceleration. uniform acceleration or constant acceleration, you will get the graph like this. So graph will be this. This is the velocity time graph for constant acceleration. Constant acceleration. Second one, velocity time graph for zero acceleration. Acceleration, there is no, that means ki uniform motion. So graph will be this, because acceleration, there is no acceleration, so it has a uniform motion. Graph will be this. And velocity time graph for non-uniform acceleration, you will get two graphs when acceleration is increasing, acceleration is decreasing. So in this case you will get the graph like this way. One is this one, acceleration increasing, and second one is when acceleration is decreasing. Acceleration is decreasing. Velocity time graph for non-uniform acceleration increasing, this graph, acceleration decreasing, this graph. Now velocity time graph for uniform retardation, that means negative acceleration. I am rubbing this. This is fourth number graph. I am writing all this. Velocity time graph for uniform retardation. That means negative acceleration. Then the graph will be like this. acceleration decreasing uniformly. This is the velocity time graph for non-uniform uniform retardation. ठीक है, uniform retardation or negative acceleration. Negative acceleration. So these are the different types of graph we have got. So what we have discussed, what is acceleration, what is uniform acceleration, what is variable acceleration, what is instantaneous acceleration. Now we have explained what is the SI unit of acceleration, what is its dimension formula, clear, and it is, whether it is vector quantity or scalar quantity. Now we have represented the graph, 4 graphs. First graph is velocity time graph for uniform acceleration. Second graph is velocity time graph for zero acceleration. Third graph is velocity time graph for non-uniform acceleration. For this we have got 2, when acceleration is increasing, when acceleration is decreasing. And fourth one is velocity time graph for uniform or constant retardation, that is negative acceleration. This will be this graph. Okay, bye.